For electrical inspections, accuracy and efficiency are crucial. The new Fluke 1670 series Multifunction Installation Testers make your job faster, easier, and better. Setup is easier than ever, with the option to use the redesigned touchscreen interface or even your mobile device or PC. The Fluke 1670 series helps you perform all required tests up to 30% faster and reduce documentation time by up to 50%. Enter site information before you go to the job site, so you can start testing as soon as you arrive. Auto tests allow you to run through an entire test sequence automatically at the touch of a button. Automatic measurement validation compares your results to an onboard reference, giving you an immediate visual pass or fail indication, with user-defined limit warnings to increase your data's accuracy. With bidirectional connectivity, easily link test results to the circuit or point under test, reducing manual data entry. And with Fluke Connect, you can easily store, manage, and share measurement data with colleagues or clients while you're in the field. Add photos and notes directly to any test point to provide more context and document issues. Preview your test results directly on the 1670 or on your PC. Then, generate inspection certificates with TrueTest to finalize your reporting on site. The Fluke 1670 series increases your productivity and simplifies your electrical inspection workflow from setup to testing to reporting with the accuracy and reliability you expect from Fluke. Visit fluke.com.au to find out how the Fluke 1670 series can make your installation testing and reporting faster, easier, and better today.